Hello everyone, welcome to Modern Vanita with me Saujanya. Today in our kitchen we are going to prepare authentic Hyderabadi egg masala. This is the secret recipe of our restaurant and this tastes damn good. Do prepare with the same measurements as I show in the video. You're going to get the exact proper taste of authentic Hyderabadi egg masala. You can have it either with rice or roti with rice. It is the perfect combination. Preparation is very simple and let's start the preparation of egg masala. For this egg masala, initially I am taking 4 boiled eggs. I boil these eggs for exactly 15 minutes. If we boil for more time, these eggs might turn hard. So 15 minutes would be sufficient to boil the eggs. Once the eggs are cooled down, we need to cut them into equal halves. Coming to the curry process, we need brown onions. For this, I am taking 2 onions finely chopped. We need to take 2 medium-sized onions. Now, heat a kadai and pour oil sufficient for frying these onions golden brown. Now we need to fry them till they are golden brown, and once they turn brownish color like this, we need to transfer them to paper towel so that excess oil is absorbed. Once these are cooled down, we need to grind them to coarse powder. Now coming to the curry process, take a kadai, heat it and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now to this add 4 ilachi, 4 cloves, 2 inch cinnamon. Let them fry. Once they are fried properly, add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and fry it properly. Now we need to add 2 tomatoes finely chopped. To these tomatoes, once they are cooked for 2 minutes, we need to add 2 teaspoons red chili powder. You can add little more also, but according to taste you can add. Now add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of jeera powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute them very well, keeping the flame on low. Flame should never be high while sauteing these masalas as they might get burned. Saute them till they turn aromatic. Now the masalas are cooked. Now we need to add brown onion paste. Once it is sauteed, then we need to add 5 tablespoons of whisked curd. While mixing the curd, we need to switch off the stove and mix it properly so that the curd will not break. Once we mix it for 2 minutes, we need to switch on the stove again and cook the masala properly. Our masala is perfectly ready. Now we need to add 150 ml of water. Don't add more. This water should be sufficient for the consistency we needed. Saute it properly. Now that the masala is cooked and it is oozing oil, at this stage we need to add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. You can add little more also. If you want it less spicy, add little less. Now add 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. This is optional, but if we want that restaurant style, we need to add it. I am adding sliced eggs to the masala, cooked masala. Initially I am adding in the reverse side so that they get cooked properly. Once they are cooked, I am turning it to other side. This gives proper restaurant style look to our gravy. And other side of the egg will also get cooked. Now that our masala is cooked properly, I am garnishing it with coriander. This tastes damn good with either rice or chapati. This is the authentic Hyderabadi egg masala recipe without adding any nut paste or anything. This is the original recipe. For these kind of yummy recipes, please do subscribe our channel and press bell icon. You will get the notifications.